to Prime C Dinner Costume Party! Dito sa Prime C, hindi lang basta negosyo. Ang goal namin is kasiyahan ng tao.
Dito sa Prime C, kumita ka na, nag-enjoy ka pa.
Welcome home!
So, bakit nga ba si Prime C? Dahil si Prime C, nakita namin yung talagang pababago talaga yung buhay dahil networker talaga yung President and CEO. Kumbaga, alam niya yung nararamdaman ng isang networker. Alam niya yung pagod, puyat, gutom. So, may puso.
Naramdaman ko na dito ako aasenso, dito medyo lalaki ang kita ko at mabibuild yung pagkatao ko dito. Hindi lang sa business, kung hindi pati yung personality development.
Napakahalaga po kasi nung unang-una may takot po sa Diyos yung namamahala po ng isang kumpanya. Kasi lahat po ng bagay, lahat po yan may kaayusan po.
Why Prime C? Kasi naniniwala ako sa namumuno kay President Sac and Naditi Bay at sa chairman natin.
Kasi kung papaano lalaki at talagang aasenso yung mga distributor o members na kagaya namin will be based dun sa kultura.
Ang kagandahan dito sa Prime Z, dito namin nakita na matutupad ang aming mga pangarap.
What we're seeing dito are genuine people and this is where we would like to really belong.
Meron
Dito sa
silang
Prime.
puso at higit
May
sa lahat,
puso at may
naniniwala kay God.
Bang, bang, bang on the microphone. Have some fun when I'm all alone. Knock, 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 but there's no one home. Out on the street in the city lights. I won't be coming back tonight. I'm gonna be alright. Thank you, Prime C. Oh yeah. I'm the next big thing. Oh yeah. Feel so high, I'm up in the sky. Can you catch a vibe? I can't come down. Here it is, I've got it all. Thank you, Prime C. 'Cause I'm the next big thing. Oh yeah. I'm the next big thing. Oh yeah. Feel so high, I'm up in the sky. Can you catch a vibe? I can't come down. Here it is, I've got it all. You see me bouncing off the walls, woohoo! 'Cause I'm the next big thing. Oh yeah. I'm the next big thing. Oh yeah. 'Cause I'm the next big thing. I've got it all. Oh yeah. You see me bouncing off the walls. I'm the next big thing. I've got it all. Oh yeah. You see me bouncing off the walls. 'Cause I'm the next big thing.
So much excitement in the near future for next year, in the short run.
Sigurado kami, yun ang aming dahilan bakit kami nag-Prime C at yun ang nilulook forward namin na isa rin kami doon sa mga asenso sa negosyo.
Not just for us, but for the rest of us. Kasi tayo yung nagsisimula, gusto nating maging maligaya lahat. And not just for the money, but this is for the happiness and welfare of everybody.
Yes, that's true.
Kung ako ang tatanungin, ano ang maisasuggest ko na networking company, lalo na ngayon, Prime C lang. No? So si Prime C,
We're driving west to the coastline, and it feels like summertime as the wind is blowing by. Yesterday in the rearview, moving
niligawan niyo ng gusto. Kung paano niyo makukuha yung kanilang attention, tsaka paano yung mga mapapaayos sila sa iyong gusto.
Gusto ko lang talaga sabihin sa lahat na lalo na sa mga nahihirapan, meron siyang purpose. So, gamitin niyo lang yung purpose na yun, yung pain na yun for greater result. And just be happy. Naniniwala talaga kasi ako sa happiness. Do what you love, do what makes you happy, and be kind. So let's just be good and be nice kasi it will go back to us 1,000 folds.
Ginagawa ko ang privacy kasi ang hirap maging mahirap habang buhay. Sa totoo lang, di ba? Ang sarap-sarap sa privacy kasi lahat ng tao dito sobrang ang babait. Sobrang ang babait. Naniniwala talaga ako sobrang babait ng mga tao dito. Kaya maraming salamat po talaga sa privacy.
Prime Z!
Welcome home!